Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Unpopular, and the title of the video is When You Think It's Safe to Return to the Hotel, but Police Are Waiting. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they're actually talking about here.
Don't touch me! Wanna fight about it? I didn't do anything, you just hit me in the face! I'm doing you, son of a bitch! Is this how you treat your wife?
On December 16th, 2023, officers were called to a hotel following a report of a woman who refused to leave the property. After being escorted out, she returned and trespassed again, violently resisting arrest.
We come back and then I've been here for a day and then he asked me to call an Uber and walk down there and then he's telling me that I trespassed or something. I don't know.
Okay, do you have a room here?
We did last night. I don't know. I'm waiting for the other person.
You did last night?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, but no room under your name?
I don't know.
Okay, so probably not then. If you don't know.
I do know, which is why you're showing all the stuff that I did. Why are you standing behind me? I don't know who he is.
He's an employee.
Okay.
So, if you don't have a room here, they're requesting that you leave the property, okay?
Okay, well then everything that they just got from me off, then you know what I'm saying.
What's that? What?
Where am I supposed to go with it then?
Where are you supposed to go?
Yeah.
Anywhere but here.
How long did that take you, though?
So, are you gonna leave the property?
Are you?
Not until you do.
Okay, why are your shoes?
Where are your shoes at?
Good question.
You don't know where your shoes are at?
Ring.
Huh? You don't know where your shoes are?
No?
Okay, well, unfortunately, if you don't know where your shoes are at, then you can't just go grab them. What? What?
What did you say?
Said if you don't know where your shoes are, then that's unfortunate, but you need to leave whether you have your shoes or not. Does that make sense? Does that make sense, yes or no?
Yeah, it makes a lot of sense.
Okay, then let's go ahead and grab your backpack,
What?
because you're leaving.
And I'm leaving to where?
Off the property, anywhere but the property. They don't want you here anymore. You don't have a room to stay in.
Yeah, I do.
No, you don't. You just told me that you don't.
That's not the property.
Okay, so this can go one of two ways, okay? You can leave on your own, and that's going to be the end of it. Or, if you continue to refuse to leave, you will be placed under arrest for trespassing.
I'm not refusing. But you want to say off the property. You can't say off the property and have them go over here when I'm working, shut my building down, take my credit card, and then tell me I can't be here.
Do they have your credit card still?
Maybe.
What do you mean maybe?
Do you?
Patience is wearing thin. Let's get this show on the road, man. Why are we still sitting here chit-chatting? Let's go.
No, I don't have your credit card. So this can be
Then stop being rude.
this can be handled very, very simply.
Like I said, get your face off my shit.
All right.
Come on.
Oh, this way.
Yeah, I know.
What's your name?
What's your name?
Officer Barry. What's your name?
Mariana.
Ariana?
Yeah.
What's your last name?
Yours.
Morris?
Oh,
What's your date of birth?
you told me you were just in my house. Besides, going over there, I wouldn't called you.
I've never met you.
So here, I'll go sit back outside. There you go.
Perfect.
Not being rude or anything, or you're down.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, just assaulted. Don't care? Now you want to walk from here?
Nope. Take it right out the door.
I know where I am.
Okay. Continue on.
You're not. Go.
Really?
Yeah.
So off the property means the entire
Off the property. All these people came to talk to me and it doesn't matter. I've been out here waiting and now I'm freezing.
Off the property means out of the parking lot.
You know what? That's it. Gresham? What property? Huh?
This property.
Not your city. Rethinking, huh? Rethinking, huh? Rethinking, huh? Want to give me some shoes?
I don't have any shoes to give you.
Well, too bad for that, huh?
Yep.
Want to give me other stuff? Off the property. This ain't God. I am.
Okay. Don't come back or you're going to be arrested.
You!
If you come back, you're going to be arrested
For what?
for trespassing.
I was offered to stay here. So
No.
what, now you want to go in there and you're going to take my room?
Not anymore. You're
You had no
not.
problem doing that anyways, huh?
Nope.
Don't touch me.
Go back.
Oh, look at all those, huh?
Go.
Go back where?
On the sidewalk.
You go to the sidewalk.
Ma'am, please go back.
Sir.
I don't know. I think he could have handled that differently, because when you read, all right, so we know a little bit about body language. I'm sure. I hope you guys do. When somebody is already kind of doing what you want them to do, you really don't want to add anything else to that to distract them from doing what you actually want them to do. So I think from the beginning, you know, as they were walking out and stuff like that, he should have took that opportunity to tell them, hey, when you're you know, you're trespassed or whatever, you know, don't come back. You know, I don't think once she's already outside walking away, now you're kind of like yelling at her, hey, you come back, da, da, da. And that's what sparks her to turn around and come back. You know what I'm saying? Like, it just, I think that could have been handled a little bit differently, you know, like, he's not wrong, but me, I would say whatever I gotta say in the thick of it, you know what I'm saying? Not towards the tail end when they're actually doing what I want them to do, which is, in this case, would be leave.
I didn't do anything. I didn't come over here. I was over on that side.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
Yeah, Gresham.
We're not in Gresham.
Yeah, you are.
Nope. This is Corvallis.
That says Gresham.
It says right there, Corvallis.
That says city.
Of Corvallis.
Yeah, I know. Thank you. You're welcome. I'm not
Okay.
going over there, though.
All right. Don't come back or you're going to be arrested.
For what?
Trespass. Real quick. Yeah. Do you want her trespassing the property if she comes back?
She'd been here all day, and we just kind of let her hang out for a while. And then
See, that's the second time he did that. Second time he did that.
asked her to leave at 6:30, and she came back and she was irate the minute she walked in the door, and we haven't done anything to her.
Okay. You want her arrested if she comes back?
Please.
Okay. Yep. Nope, that's not the sidewalk.
Yeah, it is.
Nope.
No, that's where the stupid thing is. I can't walk on the sidewalk. It's freaking cold.
You have to go anywhere but here. Have you tried the Motel 8
I
down the
don't
street?
have to go anywhere from here.
You
Okay?
do.
You guys need some training on like other stuff like that. I've been telling you, like assaulted me, but I have to go somewhere?
You have to go somewhere else.
Where?
Anywhere but here.
Why? This is a public place.
No, it's
you can't
not.
say off the property or trespassing.
This is a privately
Because
owned
when they're
business.
like, oh, if you're going to plan to stay here. No, it's not. I rent it.
This is a privately
not a
owned.
lease?
This is privately owned business.
Okay.
So you have to leave.
Call the owner.
I just spoke to him.
He was the employee, not the owner.
He's a manager.
He's not.
Okay.
He's really not.
Okay. Again, you have to leave the property. If you don't leave the property, you're going to be arrested and you're going to be put in handcuffs and taken to jail.
You can't be serious right now.
I am very serious.
I didn't do anything.
That's irrelevant to the fact that they don't want you on the property
I
anymore.
don't care if they want or not. He doesn't get you.
Yes, he does.
No, he doesn't.
He's in control of the property.
Doesn't matter if you want or not. Some people don't want to be on this property either, but they get stuck here too.
Okay, this is your last chance
What?
to leave.
And go where?
Anywhere but here, like I've said before.
Dude, seriously.
Pick it up.
You.
Araya Morris, white, female,
Okay?
approximate age
You have no problem
of 30.
interrupting or not. I was with somebody else. What's the property, right?
Araya.
Oh, 4350? Somebody says. Turn up, huh? That's not 4350.
Step back on the property. Let's just
That's
Yeah,
not
and
6403.
I just confirmed with them that they want her arrested if she comes back, so.
Both schools are mine. All I do is sit in the hallway and have coffee, wait for the person that might be in the room with me to come back.
Okay, well, they don't want you here, so.
I don't care, we paid. We're paying customers. You can't come in and be like, we don't want here. You paid, and then come in and try to kick you out.
You didn't pay.
Yeah, we did.
You did not.
Yeah, we did.
You did not.
I don't care if you or not, or whatever. But we
Okay.
paid.
If
As
you
in
step-
you and whatever. I've already paid.
If you step back on the property, you're gonna be arrested.
Good, you didn't pay.
I'm not staying here.
Good, you're not working either.
I am
That
working.
looks great, huh? Did you pay for that? 3,000, okay? 357,000.
This whole back and forth is keeping her there just zip it and just let her talk, and she'll talk and walk away. I'm telling you that. Listen, here's the thing. I dealt with inmates for so many years, and guess what? Before they were inmates, they were this person, okay? They were just regular people on the street before they got picked up. They're the same person. They have the same tendencies. If you just let them talk, whatever, as long as they're doing what you need them to do, just whatever. You know what I'm saying? Just let it go. But when you keep engaging in them, that's going to entice her to, in this case, come back on the property, because she's going to try and walk up, get in your guys' face or whatever, because you guys are engaging in a conversation back and forth with her. Most people are not going to talk to themselves. So if you just let her ramble, she's going to ramble, and then you're not talking back to her, so she's just going to walk away. You know what I mean? Because they're not going to sit there and engage, by themselves.
$1,000. That's what it took. I paid. Boss, you're welcome. They give me a uniform.
Well, if we leave and you come back on the property, you're going to be
Hey,
arrested, okay?
don't touch my sidewalk ever. Sorry.
Sidewalk's on the property.
That's exactly what I mean. You told her 4 or 5 times already. She started walking away. She came back a little bit, whatever, but you still engaging with her. Just disengage. One of two things are going to happen. She's going to walk away, or she's going to come back on the property and you're going to arrest her. But you don't got to keep telling her that. That's just where we're at.
Is that your wife? Huh? Does she like how I got my money? You like mine better. You don't want me. You don't want her.
Just let you know I'm recording. Go ahead and put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest for trespassing.
I'm not on the property.
Go ahead and take your backpack off. Go
Dude,
ahead and take your backpack off.
stop. I'm not on the property.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not
Put
on the
your-
property. Trust me?
Stop.
Fight about it?
Stop. Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Put your hands behind
No.
your back, or you're going to the ground. Put your hands behind your back.
Let's go. Stop! I didn't do anything.
883 fight.
Get off.
Hold on.
What?
Did he rock her in the face? Hold up. Wait, what?
Put your hands behind your back.
Let's go.
Oh, that was crazy.
I didn't do anything.
883 fight. Ground.
Y'all see
Put your
this?
hands behind your back.
Let's go. Stop! I didn't do anything.
Bro, he out of pocket for that, bro. That's too much. Come on, son. You way out of pocket, bro. One more time. Y'all gotta catch this quick, because that was crazy.
Let's go. Stop! I didn't do anything.
883 fight.
Get off. What? I didn't do anything.
Under arrest. Stop.
No, I'm not. I didn't do anything. You just hit me in the face.
Roll on your stomach.
You.
Roll on your stomach.
No. Stop. Stop. Ah! Let's go. I'm not on the property. Stop.
Get on your stomach.
Let go.
Get on your stomach.
Stop.
Get
Stop.
on your stomach.
Stop.
Get on your stomach.
Stop. Let's go of me. Let's go of me. Stop. I'm not rolling on my stomach. I'm not a dog. Stop. Get off of me. Get off of me. Stop. Get off of me. Get off. Quit off!
We're gonna sit here until
Get off of me! I didn't do anything! Quit attacking me!
you stop resisting. I got right hand.
All I was doing was sitting for a thing! Let go of me!
I got this.
This is so against the law! Ah! I'm doing you, son of a bitch!
8661 is
Let
detained.
go of me! You're gonna stay off the property! I'm the one who called you!
Hang on a second.
You just beat the out of me!
You guys deal with her. I'm gonna go talk to the car. Yep. Hello. Everything okay? Yeah, she's under arrest, so I just need to get your contact info real quick. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I'm good. I drove back past here. Saw you were holding the door shut. Was she trying to get back in?
No, not in the time that they escorted her out and when I shut the door. It's just.
Well, I mean, like 2-3 minutes ago, I saw that you were up in this window, like holding it.
Oh, yeah. That was more to keep the door shut because it opens by itself.
Okay.
She wasn't trying to come in.
Okay, gotcha. Did you see her come back on the property?
I did see her standing there, yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Got a hold of her.
Okay, yeah. All right, thank you.
Let go of me! You're hurting me! Let go! You are hurting me! That is not okay! The bitch turned my food stamps into a goddamn app! Can I stand up, please?
No.
This is really disrespectful.
Hey, what's the last four of your social? You have a warrant.
No, I don't. She's not providing me with a disciple. I do not have a warrant.
Albany says different.
I don't care what Albany says. They also stole all my money.
You sure? He's gonna send a photo.
See? She's telling the truth. She's telling the truth. She's telling the truth. She's telling the truth. I'm a cop, yeah. Get off me.
And
Yes, I am. Get off me.
Oh. Did you didn't get her citation?
What's that?
You didn't get her citation, actually, did you?
the first
Can
time.
you get off of me, please? I didn't do anything. You're hurting me. It doesn't help me. Ah! What are they doing? What is happening?
You're being put into the route because you're not cooperating.
I am cooperating. Yes, I am. You, dude. Is this how you treat your wife? In the fucking rap. What are you doing? Can you let me go?
No.
What are they doing? You're just gonna stand there? Uncuff me, dude. Seriously, let it go. Uncuff me. Uncuff me.
Good.
Get that off. Don't put that thing on me. Stop! Stop! What is happening? What the are you guys doing?
Yeah.
You.
Right here.
Oh, now does it look like I'm in the car? Why? Because I was sitting in the seat somewhere else? Take the cuffs off.
Ariana Elizabeth Mitchell was charged with resisting arrest, disorderly conduct, criminal trespass, and interfering with a police officer.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.